Good morning, my dear students. We are seeing Old Man River written by Dorothy Deming. In this video, we go to the top of the Amy. In our previous video, Jim trying to sound casual. Powerhouse must be out of commission. Light your candles, Betty. Betty switches on the flashlight, lights 3 candles. In this difficult situation, they faced power cut also. At the same time, Amy, I am glad we have an oil stove for cooking. Here, Amy feels happy as he has oil stove for cooking. Rose, taking a candle, forward march to the kitchen. Betty takes a candle and follows with Sarah, trailing all exit right, humming tramp, tramp, tramp. The boys are marching. Here, they moved slowly, one by one, just like a marching. Tramp, tramp, tramp. Here, the sound of the tram mentioned the marching of the children. Jim, in a low voice to Amy, the river was up another foot. Amy, another hour, and that playhouse would have been floating out in the current. Or this rat, the floor here will be underwater by morning. Actually, flashlight, candles, lamps, lanterns, food, blankets, coats, and jewels were some of the articles that the girls and Jim tried to move to the attic. Because attic is the top of the floor. By night, they were expecting the water to enter into the house. To be safe until the rescue arrived, they planned to stay in the attic. So that after completing their supper, they planned to move to the attic because they were expecting the water to enter into the house till morning. Until morning or by morning. Amy, what will we do then, Jim? Neither Sarah nor Betty is a strong swimmer. Amy asked Jim. What will we do then, Jim? Amy confused herself and asked a question to Jim. What can we do? Sarah and Betty who do not know swimming. Neither Sarah nor Betty is a strong swimmer. How can we carry them? Just like Amy asked a question to Jim. Jim, I am going to climb out on the roof and started waving the flashlight. Someone will see it and come for us. Here, Jim replied that he decided to climb out on the roof and show the flashlights. If anybody watch the pinpoint of the flashlight, they can arrive there. They can come there and rescue them. Here, Jim decided to climb on the top of the roof to show signal because he believed that Coast Guard would send a boat to rescue them. Okay? Next, Amy. But who? No one is on the main road and there are no houses within sight of us. That will be just a pinpoint of light, or into you scared? Dear students, here Jim decided to climb out on the roof to show the signal. He believed that Coast Guard will send a boat to rescue them. Here, Army has doubts. But who? She asked the question. Who will come here to rescue us? Because no one is on the main road and there are no houses also within sight of us. How is it possible to anybody come here and rescue us? Amy asked this question to Jim. Aren't you scared? Jim, you bet. Are you? Amy, terrified, but I am glad you are here. Amy feels worried and terrified. In the same time, he feels happy because Jim is there. Jim, we shall see it through if we just keep our heads. Curtain in this scene completed. We will see scene 2 in our next video. Okay, dear students, in this video also I will give you some dictation words. You have to write and send in the WhatsApp group. You don't fail to write and send it. Okay, bye.